Bonjour and welcome to a new French pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this famous French professional footballer who plays as a central midfielder for Juventus and for the French national team. Despite high and low in his career, he is still a very known player in France. So how do we pronounce his name? We will simply say Adrien Rabiot. Adrien Rabiot. The T at the end of Rabiot is silent. Do not pronounce Rabiot, but Adrien Rabiot. Did you know that the mom of Adrien Rabiot is known to have a very bad influence on him, and she's a source of a lot of scandal in France? Don't always listen your mom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to support my work and then watch more videos about French footballers just right there. Have a good day. Au revoir.